Today was a special day. We were able to join the Uchal festival of the Kalash people. With a constant drum beat, beautiful dresses and lots of dances, people are celebrating the harvest of the season. It was so cool being able to witness this special festival. And also because I got to know a few people the days before, I didn't feel like an outsider. Dresses are spectacular. So many colors, so many nice symbols. I love it. That sure was a day to remember. See you tomorrow.